want y'all to see my brand new toy right here, you know what I'm saying? It's that Can-Am Spider motorcycle, you know what I'm saying? 3 wheels, 2 wheels in the front, 1 in the back, max out, you know what I'm saying? It got like 200, I think it go like 210 on the dash, like 200 on the dash. We're about to open it up, we're gonna take it around the island, we're gonna have some fun with it, man. So I want y'all to come on, man, youtube.com/PressBowWow, man, twitter.com/BowWow614. We'll hop on it, crank that thing up. I want y'all to hear it, come check it out. No hands on it, baby. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, check this out, man. I got me some Hennessy on the rocks. You dig me, man? I also got some gentleman Jack in the back. You heard me? We gonna do this real super big, riding around in the West Coast. Yeah, the ladies love us, the ladies adore us, all in the West Coast. Yeah, you understand me, young digs? Come up, young Gotti, DJ Quick. Yeah, swag or nothing, bitch. Check it, look, she's just so freaky. She just wanna freak me. She been dying to meet me. She's trying to eat me. What's on the agenda? I just can't remember. Is it aqua velvet? She wants to give me her helmet. You can meet me right here, or I'll meet you over there. Trust me, she been wanting to fuck me for a year. Glad you can make it. Now take your time and relax. Kick back and elevate your mind. See, smoke on this bomb. It's the bomb and wine. Cause I've been trying to get at you for quite some time. Now your body and your mind help inspire my rhymes. It inspires me to find different styles and designs that I design every time. Me and you intertwine. By the end of the night, I'm hitting that from behind. When I lack, I'm hitting that from behind. I like the way that you make your booty clap from behind. Yeah, you know, just the G-Party. We've been doing this for centuries. Gangsta, riders. Yeah, everything but you haters. Yeah, now listen. Nowadays, suckers seem to be so fucking naive. You talking to a whip, I'ma sue, that's for rips. I'ma choo-choo, that's for chicks. I'ma do me, you gon' do you. If you hot, I'm gon' do you. And I ain't asking for chips, do the shit. I'm the coolest trip, I'm inventing me a brand new ship. COMPTIN, Compton, WINS, nobody is better. I'm in 2022, 14 years ahead of you bitches. And you niggas too, get your health up. Cause this music might make you sick enough to throw your wealth up. Something in my pocket, I'm gon' stealth up. You keep talking, cat, you gon' get wealth up. I know the prison system, that's why they miss them. Use the kid is wisdom. I love Glock, I love new music that knock. I love to shock, I love the block. I used to slang rocks, but I was told to stop. Music is your toy, and could you born to rock? And you can't stop until you on the spot. Now get 'em.